guys, hey, welcome back to the channel here. Today's video we're doing something kind of out of the ordinary that we don't do a lot. So we sold this airplane hangar on top of the mountain here, and we got to get concrete in there. So no concrete truck wants to go up this hill, which is, kind of, I understand that because it's pretty steep going up that hill and it's pretty hard. Like I couldn't even hardly pull a trailer with a couple thousand pounds on it last I was here. So, but behind here we got all the concrete that we brought back in here. It's all bags. We got about 16, I believe, of those pallets. I'm not sure how many bags, but there's quite a bunch of them in each one of those. And we had to bring them back here a couple miles from the ranch headquarters back in here, and we trailer them back here. And then from here, we're having to take them up about one at a time. So I got one here on the back of my truck, and it can take that up the hill pretty good, and then we're skid steering most of the other ones up there. And then we're taking a bunch of water totes up there from this lake behind me here. I'll show you guys how we're doing that. Taking all of the water out of there, we're just toting it right up the hill, and then we're mixing it in bags up on top. So it'll make for a long day, but when there's a will, there's a way, and you just gotta figure out a way some days. Here's all the pallets that we have sitting down here. There's only a couple of these left here. We have 16 in total, and each pallet has 56. So that's almost 900 bags that we're gonna have to mix today on the top of that mountain. So yeah, it's quite a chain of getting them up here. So we got them, back here first, and then we're toting them up this hill right over here on up the mountain there. And I'll show you guys a video of us going up the hill. It's pretty hairy, but we can definitely get up there. So here's where we got the water source from with our pump back there. We're just pumping it into a tote, and then we're hauling it up the hill for the guys, just keeping it in front of them. I'm only having to do a few trips of this, so hopefully it won't take too long. But man, look at that view behind me. So I'm getting ready to take a load of concrete on the back here, just one pallet up the hill with this Dodge. See if the old Dodge can do her. Now this hill's pretty steep. So here's this skid steer mixer we were using, very handy, and I didn't even know it existed until now. And then here's all those bags we were mixing with the second mixer over here. So here we were about 3 hours in, a third of the way, and those Amish guys tent camped all night just so they could finish it, and it took them all into the next day as well. So this hill in front of me going down looks way worse than it did when it came up. So you can kind of see as we're going down how steep this thing really is.